Hi, welcome to another segment of Kathy Brooke and Community. I am so happy to be here with Danny Bologna of Via Bologna's in Rochester. And you also have a
Clarkston location.
Clarkston location, but tell me, I mean, this is an amazing story about your family and the quality of your food and your service. Tell us all about your journey.
Well, I'm third generation restaurateur. My grandpa had Captain's Restaurants in Algonac, Detroit, Grosse Pointe, along the water there. And my dad went to culinary school and worked for him for a few years. And then my parents opened a restaurant in '85, which they had from 1985 to 2020. And between that time, they had restaurants here and there all over Metro Detroit and catering businesses. And then I got involved and opened up Clarkston and downtown Rochester. So yeah, we have I have the two locations right now, and we're just busy. Busy.
Well, Marjorie, who is our listing director, she's been coming to the Clarkston restaurant for a long time, and you even know her, which just tells you the relationship that you have with your clientele. And you said that your staff has been here. Tell me about the service that you provide.
I think it's so important to have good service, and we have great service and great food. You know, all of Grandma's recipes passed down and my dad's recipes passed down. So with just the good food and the good service, you're really gonna enjoy your experience.
Well, and you haven't had turnover, right? I mean, your chefs have been with you for a long time, and your staff stays with you, so it just shows
the staff stays with us, so it shows that they like working for the family, and yeah, we're all a good team together.
Wonderful. Well, and of course, in today's world, service and quality is so important. So thank you so much. Come up to the Rochester location. It's on Main. We'll give you the address, website, and phone number. So, oh, you do carry out too, don't you?
Carry out,
full bar,
catering, full bar, all of it.
Yeah. So come and take a bite of their luscious food. And thank you so much for meeting with us today. I really appreciate it. Thanks.